Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today we would learn second type of tenses, that is present tense. So let's go into the explanation. Present tense. In English grammar we use present tense to talk about something that is going on now, currently, or that is true now and at any time. In other words, we use present tense to describe an event in real time that is happening at that very moment. Let us learn more about the present tense and its types. Types of present tense. The present tense is of four types, namely simple present. Form. Use the base form of a verb, adding an or s to the end of the verb if the subject is singular. Use 1. Actions that are habitual or routine. Example, the sun rises, I brush my teeth twice a day. Use 2. General or timeless facts. Example, spiders make webs, babies drink milk. Use 3. Narrative style. Used when recalling past events or announcing things that are happening in the moment. Example, so I go to the store yesterday and the clerk says we are closed. He hits the baseball out of the field and makes a home run. Use 4. The real present, things that are happening right now, but only when the verb is stative. Stative verbs deal with the way the subject is instead of what the subject does. Example, that car looks old. They think that's a bad idea. Learn more about stative verbs. How to use stative and dynamic verbs. Some English verbs which we call state, non-continuous or stative verbs aren't used in continuous tenses, like the present continuous or the future continuous. These verbs often describes states that last for some time. Here is a list of some common ones. Like, know, belong. Love, realize, fit. Hate, suppose, contain. Want, mean, consist. Need, understand, seem. Prefer, believe, depend. Agree, remember, matter. Mind, recognize, see. Own, appear, look, or seem. Sound, taste, smell. Hear, astonish, deny, disagree, please, impress. Satisfy, promise, surprise. Doubt, think or have an opinion, feel or have an opinion. Wish, imagine, concern. Dislike, be, have. Deserve, involve, include. Lack, measure or have length, etc. Possess. Owe, weigh or have weight. A verb which isn't stative is called a dynamic verb and is usually an action. Some verbs can be both stative and dynamic. Be. Be is usually a stative verb, but when it is used in the continuous, it means behaving or acting like you are stupid. It's part of your personality. You are being stupid only now or not usually. Think. Think is stative, have an opinion. I think that coffee is great. Think is also dynamic. Consider having my head. What are you thinking about? I am thinking about my next holiday. Have. Have is stative. Own. I have a car. Have is dynamic, part of an expression. I am having a party or picnic, a bath, a good time or a break. See. See stative. See with your eyes or understand. I see what you mean. I see her now. She is just coming along the road. See is also in dynamic. Meet or have a relationship with. I have been seeing my boyfriend for the 3 years. I am seeing Robert tomorrow. Taste. Taste is stative. Has a certain taste. This soup tastes great. The coffee tastes really bitter. Taste dynamic. the action of tasting. The chef is tasting the soup. Taste is the same as other similar verbs such as smell. Second type of present tense is present perfect. Form is have or has plus past form of a verb. Use one is action that started in the past, continue into the present and may continue into the future. Example, the children have felt sick ever since they ate lunch. My neighbor has lived next door to me for 2 years. Use to in present perfect is separate actions that happen in the past and may happen again in the future. Example, that man has traveled overseas several times. We have eaten at that restaurant once or twice. Use 3. Recently completed actions that still influence things happening in the present. Examples, the sun has risen and you need to wake up. They have finished their meeting, so now they can go. Present continuous. Form the present tense of to be or am is are plus verb plus ing. Use 1. The real present. Things that are happening right now. For all verbs except stative verbs. Examples, I am sitting down right now. He can't come to the phone because he is working. You can't see the children because they are hiding. Use to is temporary actions that may not be happening right now but have not yet been completed. Examples, I am taking an English course. The truck is being repaired. Plans are being made. Present perfect continuous. Form is have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. Use one of this is actions that started in the past, continue into the present and may continue into the future. Note down that this is the exact same use and meaning as use 1 of present perfect. Example, the children have been feeling sick ever since they ate lunch. My neighbor has been living next door to me for 2 years. So children, as important as it is to live in the present, it's hard to know exactly which present you live in, isn't it? You may use this video for reference as you practice your grammar and learn them. I expect that you all have understood present tense and its types. We'll meet you in my next class with the explanation of future tense. Thank you.